question 11 was one of the most missed questions on benchmark 2. It is referring to the passage, The Most Dangerous Game. The one thing you want to keep in mind with this question is you actually don't really need to refer back to the story to figure out the answer to this question. So let's take a look at it. Writers often use language and images to foreshadow events that are going to take place in the story. Remember, foreshadow means giving clues to something that might happen later on. Consider these words and phrases from the passage. Dark tropical night, moonless Caribbean night, moist black velvet. Okay, so without even reading the answer choices, just think about these things. It's a dark tropical night. It's a moonless, moist black velvet. So you can picture like total darkness. From these, what can we predict? That the characters Whitney and or Rainsford are going to A, be shipwrecked on the island, B, have a good time in Rio, C, go hunting in the Amazon, D, encounter evil in the story. They mention a ship, they mention an island in the reading. They mention Rio in the reading. They mention hunting in the Amazon in the reading. The thing they don't mention is evil. However, reading these things, it's like a super dark night. There's no moon. They can hardly see anything. The author is trying to foreshadow something bad might happen. Like being shipwrecked on the island, that's pretty bad, but I mean, that's very specific, okay? So the answer here, even though all A, B, they mention an island in the reading, they mention Rio, and they mention hunting in the Amazon. The one thing that it might foreshadow, you can make an inference as the reader, is they might encounter something pretty bad, something evil in the story. So the answer here is actually D, encountering evil in this story. Okay, so as you read, you might have gotten a little bit of a creepy feeling that, something bad might happen. Okay, so the answer there is D.